In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add, delete, and adjust an employee schedule override. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location or your enterprise selected, then choose Employees. Next, select the employee you would like to add an override to. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Availability. Choose Overrides from the drop-down menu. You should now see a list of your employees' overrides. There is one already here. If I want, I can adjust this override. Right now it's saying the employee isn't available at all on that day. Maybe they're available, but only in the morning. I can click on that override, choose Enabled, and say when this employee is available. Let's say from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. If they were available other times, I could add those here as well. I could also add that employee's preferences. If they're available for the whole day, maybe they prefer to work in the morning or the evening. If I don't want to save these changes, I can choose Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now a green save bar has appeared at the bottom of the chart, letting me know when this page was last saved. And this employee has changed from not available to available from 8 to 12. If I want to add a whole new override, I can click the Add button at the bottom of the chart or the Add button in the upper right-hand corner. Now I need to decide if I want this override to be global and apply to every location this employee can work at, or I can click the arrow and choose a specific location that this override affects. I'm going to leave it on global. Then I need to choose a start date for this override. I will click the calendar icon, and let's say this is for next month, and then I will select that date. If the employee is not available at all on that day, I need to choose Add Now. If I want to enable them to work for only certain hours on that day, I can click this Enabled and enter in that same available and preferred information. I'm going to uncheck Enabled to show that they're not available at all. If you don't want to add this override, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now that override has been added. Notice that the new override is gray. That's because that employee is not available at all on that day. If the employee is available, the override is white. Let's say I made a mistake and I don't actually want this new global availability override. I can click on this box next to global, then choose Delete at the bottom of the chart. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete that override. If I don't, I'll choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now that override has been deleted. I can change the calendar by clicking on the calendar icon at the top and choosing a different year for these overrides to go into effect. It'll automatically be set for the current year, but if this is December and you want to work with January, you might need to change the year. I'm going to leave it at 2018. I could have also used the arrows to adjust the year. You can use overrides to show that an employee isn't available on a certain day or that they are available on a day when they are not usually available. That's how you can add, delete, and adjust your employees' overrides. Check out the next video to learn how to grant and decline employee leave requests.